What's up, everybody? Next Step Fitness here, John and John. Today we're going to be doing back for beginners. 3 exercises, guys. 3 sets, 10 to 12 reps. Real easy. Roll it.
What's up, guys? Our first movement of the day is a standing low row. So what you want to do is grab the handles like this, and you want to pull, like, feel the contraction on the back, and then go down on a negative. Make sure you feel that, and then go all the way down, feel that stretch. Just come back up. Feel that stretch. What you want to do is do 3 sets, 10 to 12. Make sure you feel that contraction on the back, feel that stretch, and yeah.
Alright guys, next workout is going to be a lat pull down seated. On this one, your hands want to be right here. This is my preference. So this workout's going to be really good for your latissimus dorsi. All right here. 3 sets, 10 to 12 reps. I'm going to give you a quick example. Here, right above your chest, and you want to contract your lats. Come back up.
Alright guys, our third and final movement is a lat pull down. 3 sets, 10 to 12. There's different variations of grips you can use. We prefer the wider one because we feel it more in our lats. But you want to get a wide grip like this, or you can go narrow depending on how good you feel it on your back. You want to come back a little bit, and then you want to pull down here, squeeze. You'll feel it in the back. Slowly come back up. Explode.
Alright guys, those are our 3 basic back workouts for beginners. If you're watching it, I hope y'all learned from it, guys. They're good back workouts. Fill your back up, feel your lats.
This is volume 3 of our workout. There's 2 other ones. We made what did we make? A tricep and a chest exercise. So if you want to, go check it out. Like, share, and subscribe. And if you like stuff like this, comment down below and let us know.
Alright guys, so everybody here at Next Step Fitness, take the next step.